There's a man on this mountain, a quiet, humble man. He's been perfecting his craft for over 4 decades. Most of it in the dark of night, when no one is watching. First strikes mean a totally different thing to the man on the mountain. He doesn't need to change his equipment for a powder day, but he makes sure it stays tuned, and he's always in control. You can find him at the Lookout Tavern at around 5 o'clock in the morning. This is his happy hour, one he's perfected over 1,000,000 times. This is Kenny, our driver of a lifetime. Now that's commitment you can count on. Casella, we're here for you.